यश दे दो मैया, ज्ञान विजय यश दे दो। भजन करे जो नित्य तुम्हारा, आधि व्याधि तुम हरती हो। ज्ञान विजय यश दे दो माता, ज्ञान विजय यश दे दो। है अनन्य जो भक्त तुम्हारे, तुम आरोग्य प्रदान करो। ज्ञान विजय यश दे दो मुझको, ज्ञान विजय यश दे दो।
Hello, 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 all of you. Thank you so much for joining. Am I audible? Is my video and audio clear? Just comment in the chat box. Can you see me, hear me? Can you put a yes in the chat box? Can you hear me? Thank you, Bani. Thank you, Sushma ji. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining today. I had to reschedule the timing instead of 8 o'clock. I thought let's finish it off in the lunchtime because we have festival of 9 days Navratri and many people are busy for Durga Puja and Garba and festivities. So I thought let me also enjoy and let's have the session today. Quick session. It's going to be a short session but a powerful session, and it's for 30 minutes. Thank you all for being here. You could have been anywhere else, but you are here. Can we have a round of applause for all of you? Come on, cameras. Come on, cameras, and clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Pack your bag. Take the hand. Come on, cameras. Yes, yes. Thank you. And pat your back. Pat your back. You chose to be here. You chose to be here. It speaks volumes about you. Do you know that? You could have been anywhere else, but you saw the message from Dr. Poonam and you decided to be here. This very fact says a lot that you are committed. You are committed for what? Put in the chat box. What are you committed for? Why are you here? You are committed for yourself. So write in the chat box me, because you have chosen yourself. It's very important, my dear friends, to choose ourselves. Otherwise, we are very experts in giving excuses. No, I can't do this. Afternoon is very busy. I have not had lunch. I'm so tired. Office is busy. But in spite of all that, you choose to be here. It means that you are committed for yourself. So, one more round of applause for choosing yourself, my dear friends. It means a lot. Now, quickly tell me from which place, which city, which country are you joining? Which city are you joining? Quick, quick, quick. Let's see the maximum. From where are you joining? Which city? Which Mumbai, Bengaluru, Mumbai, Pune, Jabalpur? Wow. I see somebody from Pathankot. From which place are you joining? What's the name of your city? What's the name of your country? Bengaluru, Pathankot, Cameron. Yeah, nice. I've seen Miss Nomsi. Miss Nomsi, thank you for joining. So she is joining from abroad. So now we have health is wealth. Can you see that we are touching lives, not only India, but we are going crossing the borders because, my dear friends, love has no boundaries. Do you agree with me? Type in the chat box, agree. Love, learning, wisdom, power. These are the words which are across the globe. You need not be of a particular religion. You need not be of a particular background. You need not be of a particular place. Everybody, all of us are bounded by love. Do you agree? Yes. Thank you so much for the agree. Now, okay, who are the first timers? Can you type in the chat box FT that you have joined first time? FT, how many people have joined first time? FT, Bani, okay. Miss Nomsi, you have joined first time. Vandana, Bhagyashri, yeah, thank you for confirming that. First timers, Tamjit ji, Nagendra ji, thank you, welcome. Now, who are my old timers? Tell me which session is this? This is the first to nahi hai. Is it the second session, third session, fourth session, fifth session, sixth session? Which session is this? Because I see some my old timer friends. It's the fourth session, fifth session, fifth session, fourth session. I think Anita ji is right. So it is the fifth session. No, it's not the seventh. Okay, so even I lost the track now because I have decided to do it lifelong and I'm not keeping the track of which session it is. I think it is the fifth or fourth session. Okay, so thank you so much for being connected. Let's first set the code of honors. Code of honors for this program is if you want to take the maximum benefit from this short, quick, energizing session, I want some commitment from you. Okay, you cannot switch off your cameras and sit and then listen. So if possible, if you're not in the washroom and you are outside, you can please switch on the cameras. Even if you're, I understand, I value your time and I respect your presence in this room because it's a lunch time. Even if you're having food, it's okay, you can on the camera, mute yourself, you can on the camera, come on cameras, because showing up on camera means again a lot of you. You remember our third session was all about showing up in life. Like people are sitting here and some people are, it's okay if you're not driving, not if possible, please switch on the cameras, because if you switch on the cameras, it speaks that you are committed completely. My energy transfer will happen to you. If you switch off the cameras, I cannot do much help to you. So the way we show up for everything, it's okay, no problem, Bineji. So the way we show up for anything is the way we show up for everything. So whatever your goals and desires, you want to do so many things in life, right? But we don't show up. मतलब करना है लेकिन होता नहीं है. We want to do so many things, but we are not able to do. Why? Why? Because we are not showing up. We are not showing up our 100%. See, the way we are showing here, you feel that it's okay. In Dr. Poonam's class, I'll keep my camera off. It's not that important. I will be more serious at my goals. मतलब मुझे जो काम important है ना, I will do there my best. ऐसे नहीं होता है, my dear friends. Let me tell you one magical statement. You can write down. Try to make lots of notes. The way you do one thing. Okay, cup your ears. When I say you something important, cup your ears. Come closer. I can see you. Yes, Miss Namsi, cup your ears. Come closer. Yes, I'm watching you. You can't skip that. So, the way you do one thing, the way you do one thing is the way you do everything. Do you get it? The way you do one thing is the way you do everything. So, it is not like I will do, matlab, at home you may be very lazy, suppose you're not doing certain things properly. And you expect you will do everything perfect in office. Matlab, office I'll be my best version. But at home it's okay. I'll be that lazy person. I will not listen to anyone. I'll not do. It doesn't happen like that. You carry yourself everywhere. Write down certain statements you need to write down, my dear friends. The first magical statement was the way you do one thing is the way you do everything. And the second one is you carry yourself everywhere. Do you get it? So, who you are, how do you show up matters a lot. Now, put in the chat box what is the topic of today's session. Let me see how many are reading my messages and watching the videos in the group which I'm putting. What is the topic of session today? Decision. Yay, Sudha ma'am is right. Thank you, Sudha. Nobody else saw. Okay. So, why did I choose the topic decision? I'll tell you the power of decision. Our whole life is running on decision. You decided you decided that I will click the link which has come in Health is Wealth group and I will join the session. And that's why you are here. So the decision you made was choosing to join the session. And that's why you're listening to me and my energy. If you had taken another decision, no, I'm busy, it's lunchtime, I'm very hungry, let me finish my lunch. I can't listen to Dr. Poonam all the time. So if you had taken that decision, you would have been somewhere else. Do you agree with me? The decision, one more decision, like example, like I am a doctor. I took a decision in 12th standard that I want biology and I left maths. I chose biology and I became doctor. I gave the entrance exam for MBBS, and the first statement, please. Yes, Sushma ji, the first statement is the way you do one thing is the way you do everything. And the second statement was you carry yourself everywhere. And now we are talking about decision. So when I chose the decision to choose biology, maths chala gaya, engineering chala gaya. When I chose doctory, समझ में आ रहा है? I'll give you lots of examples and then I will tell you how you can use the power of decision for your love, for your life. So I choose doctory, medical profession. So engineering was out, advocate, that lawyer was out, architects were out, arts was out, commerce was out. So when you choose something, everything else is out. Got it? And you become that. One more example. How many are commerce students here? Commerce. BCom किया है. CA है, background of commerce. How many are commerce background? Nobody. Finance. Me. Yes. Only Ashi. I'm sure many would be there, but I think they're busy in their behind the cameras. So when you choose commerce, you are not a science student. You are not an arts student. You are a commerce student. When you choose arts, science is out and commerce is out. You are a science student. So when you choose something, you become that. So it's very important what are you choosing, because if you don't make a choice, one more thing is, what if you keep getting confused? I don't know, I like everything. Suppose you say I like arts also, commerce also, science also, I like everything, and you're not able to decide what should I take. What will happen? Type in the chat box, what will happen? You are at a decision making point in life. You don't know what you should take, arts, science or commerce. There will be chaos and you will not choose anything. When you don't choose anything, you don't become anything. Do you agree? If you don't choose any branch, you will not go forward. Now let's bring the same example to health is wealth. I'm not talking about career decision making. That was just an example because all of us go through it. 12th के बाद क्या करना है? क्या करना है decide कर लिया तो फिर वही करना है. Yes, you'll be in dilemma, you'll be lost. Yes. Now, how do we have the power of decision in our life and especially towards our health? Now tell me, when you are emotional, when somebody speaks, somebody insults you, disrespects you, or you're going through something, you're feeling low on your energy. When you're feeling low on your energy, what most of us do? Eating, hogging, मुंह चलने लग जाता है ना. You know why? That there is a science behind it. When we are emotional, when we are low, okay, the body feels there is danger. Got it? When we are low, when we are emotional, we start overeating. Why does that happen? Because eating as a primitive, when we were born and the human evolution, eating was supposed to be considered as food was considered to be as safety. खाना खा लिया मतलब safe है. Body feels I'm safe. Okay, all of you, take your hands and do like this. How do you feel when you hug yourself? You feel little warmth. You can rub. You feel warmth. And how do you feel when somebody else hugs you? Your mom, dad, husband, wife, children. When you get that hug, how do you feel? You feel comforted. You feel safe. And biologically, chemically, the same thing happens when you eat food. Well, when you eat food, no, you feel safe. When you feel safe, okay? So when you're low, the automatic reaction is that you choose to eating, and eating, overeating, and then you feel safe. But do you understand that this binge eating when the emotions are low, is it good or bad? Is it good or bad? When you are low, it's bad. It's bad. But who made the choice? Who made the decision to eat? Who made the decision to eat? Who made that decision to eat when you are low? Yes. Now, Today, we are going to reverse it. I want your support. We are going to do something magical and powerful. ये नहीं करना है. Okay, so I can't teach you so many things in half an hour, but today we will catch this because the number one reason for this obesity is overeating, and overeating is happening because we are not able to control our emotion. Do you agree with me? Emotions we are not able to balance, so we eat and try to balance and get that comfort from food. Food has become emotional support. Food is not emotional support. Don't abuse food. Okay, this is called food abuse. So you might be feeling very good that wow, I don't drink alcohol, I am not a smoker, I am a good person. How many of you feel like that? I don't smoke, I don't drink, but I'm good, I'm leading healthy lifestyle. अरे बाबा, यहाँ जो कचड़ा चल रहा है और all the garbage which is running here, all the stress that you're carrying here is equivalent to smoking and drinking. Was that a bulb on? Right? Type BO in the chat box. You might feel that you are not smoking, you are not having alcohol, and that's why you are perfectly fit. I am fine, doctor. I am doing everything. But are you taking stress? Are you overeating during your stressful emotions? That is equivalent damage to your body system. So, this stress causes more of inflammation, and you overeat. When you overeat, it causes double the inflammation. So, do you get it? How it is involved? Now, how do we use the power of decision? Today's topic is power of decision. Can we all collectively do a simple exercise to take this decision to the next level? We have to choose that ऐसे नहीं करना है. We are not going to do this anymore. Are you with me? Type in the chat box with you. With you or WY? With you, doctor. Yeah. If we can just catch hold of this habit now, कि when we are going low and when we are not feeling that great, we should not overeat. ये choice नहीं करना है. I don't want to choose this food. I don't want this decision of eating food when I am low. Let's reverse it. Let's reverse it again. Cup your ears. Cup your ears. And now let us affirm some powerful affirmations. Are you with me? You will get the recording later on the channel as well as on the hub. So you can see later. Let's don't write anything. Just speak with me. Follow me. Tell with me. Follow after me. From today.
From
From today.
today,
Yeah. No, you can mute yourself. Yeah. From today, I choose myself. Okay, you can keep hands on the heart. I think that's better. Keep a hand on the heart and promise this beautiful heart of yours. Promise this beautiful heart of yours. I choose myself. I choose myself. I love myself. I love myself. I respect myself. I respect myself. So I don't overeat. Tell like this only, the way I told. So I don't overeat. I don't overeat. Once again, we'll do. I choose myself. I love myself. I respect myself. So I don't overeat. So I don't overeat. This affirmation keep reminding yourself that we all love ourselves. Okay, we should love ourselves because self love is lacking, self respect is lacking, and that's why we treat the body as a garbage dump. We feel कि if anything happens, start dumping. Food is the best source of healing. Do you know that? Food is a medicine. But what kind of food? Not your fried foods, pizza, burger, and overeating all the time. The right kind of food will give you the right kind of nutrition to balance even your emotions. Have you heard, how many of you heard the sentence, you are what you eat? Have you come across the statement? You are what you eat. Type in the chat box if you've heard this. You are what you eat. Why you know? You are what you eat. Why you know? Whatever you ate yesterday or 1 month back, it is still there in the body. Do you know how? Yes, Jason, Vesaman. Whatever you ate yesterday and many days back, it is still there in the body. It has become your blood. It has become, after digestion, it has become your blood components, your immunity cells, your muscles, your flesh, and the glow on the skin. Okay, so everything, whatever you eat, decides the way your body comes up. And not even that, it goes to the next level. What kind of food you're eating also decides your emotions, also decides whether you are happy or sad. So here, listen properly, be with me. It's a interconnection. What you eat decides your emotions, and your emotions decide what you eat. I repeat, I will repeat. It's very, very important. What you eat, you can write down. It's very, very powerful. What you eat decides your emotions, and your emotions decide what you eat. It is all interconnected. Now, let us choose whatever we can change. Sometimes we can take charge of the emotions, sometimes we can take charge of the food. Now, my dear friends, taking charge of the emotions thoda difficult hai na? Is it difficult? How many of you feel, madam, taking charge of the emotion is difficult? Are you all with me? Food and emotions. You can write one food and one emotions and draw in arrows, interconnected arrows. Food is related to emotion, emotion is related to food. Now, what can you choose easily? What can you choose easily to change? Is changing emotions easy? If you don't know emotional mastery, it will be difficult. We cannot overcome the bad emotions, sad emotions so easily. If it was so easy, you would not be sitting here. But we can, of course, change the food. Yes, that's the easy way. So make sure what you eat is the real food. Okay, so more of real food, more of real food. And even when you're sad, no, don't hog on ice creams and fries and chips. You can eat banana and apple, or you simply go and drink water. Okay, do you want some quick tips that when you are sad and low, what should I do? Do you want to know? I want to finish at sharp 1:30. We are at 1:22. Do you want to know the tips that when we are low, rather than eating, what else I can do, ma'am? What else I can do? Do you want to know? Yes, yes, yes. Type in the chat box. Yes, then only I will tell. Yes. So many things you can do. When you're low, whatever is the trigger. Yes. So whatever is the trigger, if you can walk away from that, just go out. Just go out. Why? We have learned in this in the second session. When you try to solve the problem, you get immersed in the problem. Don't try to solve the problem when you are in a problem. Are you with me? Don't try to solve the problem when you are in a problem. हम लोग क्या करते हैं? नहीं ऐसे इसको पकड़ के लाओ उसको. मैं बताती हूँ. I will tell you. You don't know. And we go in that ocean of all the fights, mentally as well as physically. So whenever you find yourself that you are in this problematic situation, first of all, remember me, because I am telling you, stop it, catch yourself and go away from that. Just go away from that situation. Go for a walk, quick walk. If you cannot go for a walk, what else you can do? You can just do nothing. Yeah, there are many answers in the chat box. They are nice. But can you choose to do nothing? What if I tell you just go and sit, close your eyes, don't talk to anyone, and take deep breaths? The power of breath. Why? When you start taking deep breaths, something happens in the body. See, I'm a doctor. I'm holding these sessions. I'll give you the science backup. When you stay quiet and you start focusing on your breath, and when you take deep breaths, what happens? Your stress hormone reduces, your cortisol reduces, and you become more wise. You get more wisdom to solve that problem later. But when you're in your high, when you're angry, man, like this, I will show you, I will, then nothing is going to happen. You are not good. You are becoming immersed in the problem. So don't solve the problem. So we say don't solve, evolve. Don't solve, you evolve. Don't solve the problem, you evolve. And how do you evolve? You cannot evolve if you are staying in the problem. Come out of the problem, go away, walk, take deep breaths, and do nothing. Do what? Type in the chat box the powerful word. Do, do, type in the chat box. Do nothing. Type in the chat box. Nothing. कुछ नहीं करना है. Nothing. And then all the other answers in the chat box are right. Drink water. You can have some fruits. But एक बार मुंह चालू हो गया तो बंद नहीं होता है. तो better not to start eating. Okay. You choose that when it happens, I walk or listen to a music and you can dance. Can you dance? Okay, shall we do some steps? How many of you are ready to dance with me? Want to dance with me? Dance करोगे पक्का? Promise? Type in the chat box, promise dance. Today we are going to dance for 5 minutes. Let me play a music, 1 minute. सब लोग डांस करना है, otherwise can you listen? Just a minute. Were you able to hear the music? Yes? Okay, we are going to rock it out because this is the way we are going to reduce our stress. Promise सब लोग डांस करोगे ना? 2 minutes के लिए करेंगे. 1 minute या 2 minutes के लिए, okay? Because when you are stressed, you have to do this only. And many more things are there. Is the volume okay? Is the volume okay? You don't dance, just follow me. All of you. Just move your hands. You're not trying to be Katrina Kaif or anything. Be yourself and dance. काला चश्मा जचता तेरे मुखड़े पे जैसे काला दिल जचता है तेरे चिन पे अपनी अदाओं से सदमे तो 10-12 लड़के तो मार ही देती होगी तू दिन में जैसे 36 फिरते हैं मेरे वर्गी और न होनी वे और न होनी Don't watch me. Those are dance will feel better. I'll tell you the signs. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ 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 ਉਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਜੱਜਦਾ ਏ ਗੋਰੇ ਮੁਖੜੇ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਜੱਜਦਾ ਏ ਗੋਰੇ ਮੁਖੜੇ ਤੇ ਜੱਜਦਾ ਏ ਗੋਰੇ ਮੁਖੜੇ ਤੇ सड़कों पे चले जब लड़कों के दिलों में तू How was that? Type in the chat box one word. How are you feeling now? How many of you danced? Those of you didn't dance, they will not feel anything. Now I'll decode the signs. I am not dancing just to show off dancing. Yes. Maza aaya? People who dance, did you love it? Yes. So, is it difficult to put a song and dance? Is it difficult? No. But kya, how do we do, why don't we do it, Because this, the mind, is our biggest obstacle. What it says, because societally we have been conditioned that when something is going wrong, how can I dance? When I'm feeling low, how can I dance? How can I dance when I'm not feeling good? But do you decide? When you decide to become bigger than your trigger. Okay, write down this statement. It's very amazing. Bigger than your trigger. Become bigger than your trigger. ट्रिगर आया है ना, उसको आप रिवर्स करना है. Okay, so the moment something is bothering you, you don't get swiped by that emotion. You decide. Now there are two decisions. Either you decide to go with the problem, or you decide to go with the kala chashma dance. Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me? The power of decision. When everything is going right, I don't have to teach you. You will do balle balle anyway. You will be very happy. You will be very happy. All the gyan and all the program is only when we are low, when we are in the negative state. What do we do? And there comes the power of decision. The power of decision. Who you decide to be. Who you decide to be. What do you do? What do you eat? What do you think? Where do you go? All that matters, especially when you are in the low. So, power of decision, my dear friends, it runs our life. It runs our life. And the moment you decide that I am going to be bigger than my trigger, I am going to be bigger than my trigger, nothing can stop you from being happy. Type in the chat box how many of you are feeling happy. Happy, 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 happy. Type in the chat box. Happy. How many of you are feeling happy with just simple exercise? How many of you are feeling happy? Thank you so much for coming today at this quick short notice and half an hour session in the afternoon. What you decide, what you choose makes a long lasting impact in your life. I want you today, all of you, to make one more decision. Are you willing to take that decision? So I want you to register for my upcoming masterclass. The masterclass is about stress management. It's called Burnout to Balance. It's a free masterclass. Okay. Burnout to Balance masterclass. If you register, you will spend amazing 1 hour with me. I will decode the tools and techniques in depth, how the stress comes, how do we reverse it, and how to be truly joyful. Because the goal of human life is to be joyful. Do you agree with me? To be joyful. That is why all our wishes are happy birthday, happy new year, happy this, happy that. Everything is happy only. But happy is only not there. Happy Diwali, happy Dasra, happy Holi, happy New Year, happy birthday, happy anniversary. But where is the happiness? Only in the wishes? No. It's time to get it back. So I am sending one link. You register for the masterclass now, and I will also send in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Just give me a second. I'll pull out the registration link. Yeah, here is the link. It's a simple link, just your name and phone number, and you will get the details in your email. You can register for this masterclass. It's on 10th October, which is a Friday, and it will be from 8 p.m. 8 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. It will be 1.5 hour, where we will understand in depth. See, these sessions which I'm doing on Mondays are more of a teaser sessions that to make yourself engaging and to understand that there's more to life rather than just crying. Yeah, this is the Zoom. Can't register. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, sorry, sorry. I'll do one thing. I'll put it in the WhatsApp group. Just a minute. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, this is the link. I'll just give the link. 1 minute. I'm reposting it. Thank you, Yashi, for that. Yeah, yeah. This is the link. Sorry. Yeah. This is the link for registration for B2B. I'll share in the WhatsApp also. Yes, Tamjiji. I'll share in the WhatsApp group. Few of you, those of you are here, can register straight away. If anybody, as people are registering for the master class, can some of you share? We have an international person also joining us. Ms. Nomsi, do you want to share? How did you feel? Hi.
Very happy. It was a good experience. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you for joining.
Thank you.
Anybody else? Yeah. Anything else you want to say? Okay. Anyone else wants to share? Awesome session. Thank you, Megha. Share करो. दिल खोल के share करो. Don't keep any inhibitions. How was the session? Uh, if you have anything, not only the feedback, if you want to share with me something that, do you want to have any particular topic for the next session? Give me the topic idea also. I would love to take your topic. So the master class is on burnout to balance. It's called B2B. So burnout happens in our lives very subtly. We don't even think that we are getting burnout. It's like the frog story. You know the frog in the boiling water? The frog was placed in a warm water and then the stove was on. Slowly, the temperature started rising and then the water started boiling and then the frog got cooked without even knowing. And that's how burnout is doing to us. So definitely it's high time that we take charge of the burnout and the stress and do not land up in medicines and diseases. So it's high time to come out of that. And that is why Burnout to Balance Masterclass will open a new perspective about life and health and disease management. Yes, Rekha ji, you can unmute yourself. You can unmute? Yeah. You're not able to unmute?
I'm
Okay, let
able.
me. Yes,
I
yes.
got it. Yeah. Hi
Thank you. Yeah.
Poonam, good morning. So nice. This is the first
Thanks.
session of yours I've attended, and
Oh,
somehow I couldn't match the timings and all. Today I said whatever. I kept an alarm and I said I have to attend Poonam. It was great.
thank you.
Lot of learnings, and the best thing was the decision is always ours. I just got that it's in our hands. Whether you get stressed and eat, whether you get stressed and what do you react after that, and how do you deal with that stress. The decision, the choices are always in our hands. Somehow we disempower ourselves by thinking that the other person is doing this. So it was great, and I would love to attend more sessions of yours, like because I find them very useful because you come from a scientific background and a medical background. So I've heard your podcasts also, and always
Thank
great
you.
learning, Poonam. I'm calling you Poonam because we are friends. Like
Yeah, it's
we are in
okay.
the same
Nahi.
community.
Thank you so much for joining. It means a lot. You are in abroad actually. That's why
Yeah,
your
yeah.
timing was not matching.
Yeah. I'm in Dublin, and it's it was
Ah,
difficult. So, but I said no. Every time somehow I miss it. Every time, and I consciously wanted to attend yours because I find great value in whatever you say. So, thank you so
yes.
much for this. Keep updating on the group. I'm in your WhatsApp
Yes.
group, so
Yes.
I'd love to join the
The
master
Burnout to
class.
Balance masterclass would be
Yes,
amazing. It will be an
amazing.
overview of the main program, but that itself will give a lot of transformation for people here. And I would
Yeah,
love, because it's free, please register.
please.
I'll put it in the
Yeah.
WhatsApp group also. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, and you're
Thank
looking
you. Thank
fab,
you.
looking very good, and I think just seeing you, motivates. That
Yeah, today
smile.
is
Just keep.
Navratri day 8. Peacock green is the color, so I'm wearing all the
Oh,
colors based
oh,
on the
oh!
days.
How
Yeah.
nice! You're a true Mumbaikar.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. We do all
Thank
this in
you. Thank you
Mumbai.
so
Yeah.
much.
Thank you,
Yes,
Poonam.
yes,
Thank you
yes,
so much.
yes.
Great
Thank you.
learning and great takeaways. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yes, Yashi ji. Yashi, you can unmute. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you for the lovely session, Poonam, Dr. Poonam. Always very nice. And I think I missed two, three sessions. And if you could just share the recordings also of the last.
Yeah. Yeah, correct. The recordings are initially I also had a challenge because it's a long duration. Now what I have done is I have put the recording in my YouTube channel Inner MBBS. There
Okay,
is a playlist called as Health is Wealth.
cool.
Health
Okay,
is Wealth playlist. All the sessions will be there. So anybody can watch, whoever is not in the group also can watch. So that is why, because people have told it's very valuable. I could not attend. So it's in the hub, it's in the YouTube channel.
thank you. It was very nice, short and sweet. And my takeaway was you carry yourself everywhere. So, yeah,
Everywhere.
we need to work on ourselves. Thank
Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, Madhuri ji. Madhuri ma'am. Thank you for joining. आप अनम्यूट कर लीजिए हाँ.
मुझे सबसे अच्छा क्या लगा कि आप बिना दवाइयों के ही ठीक कर रही हैं।
दवाई की जरूरत ही नहीं है आधे टाइम, तो मैं तो उसी में बिलीव करती हूँ.
डांस भी है, म्यूजिक भी है, बहुत अच्छी अच्छी बातें भी हैं और हाई एनर्जी। और क्या चाहिए जिंदगी में बिना दवाइयों के हैप्पी रहने के लिए?
यस यस.
परफेक्ट। और मैं तो नेक्स्ट के लिए रजिस्टर
करेक्ट. आई रियली बिलीव दैट द. हाँ हाँ, कर लीजिए कर लीजिए हाँ.
डन डन डन। थैंक यू।
Yeah, the whole mission of Health is Wealth and Inner MBBS is also, Inner MBBS is the inner doctor within all of us. The real power and the real medicine, the real healing is within. There's nothing outside. I mean, of course, medicines are there for deadly diseases and when you are out of control, but that should be temporary. You should not be dependent on it for lifelong. That's something that I want to reiterate, that we should not fall sick. That much power is there in the body. Even if we fall sick, we should be able to recover faster. And the number of medicines should be as low as possible. That's the only mission because it's all within. It's all within. Yeah. Yes, Bani, you can. Bani, yeah. Go ahead.
Hi, good afternoon, everybody. Dr. Poonam, thank you so much. It was my first session and it was lovely to attend it. I had a lot of soul-on moments, knowledge moments, KO moments, I call it. And one thing, my takeaway, when you took that example of frog in the boiling water, right? So we all go through that situation and choice is ours. We have to jump out of that boiling water before it boils and kills us. That is the most important takeaway for me from today's session. And in one of your podcasts, I'd heard, and I myself, I'm a science student. I wanted to be a doctor. I could not be an MBBS doctor. So there you were talking about how the cancer cells are there in our body every day, in every each one of us. It's only when it goes out of the control is when we call it cancer disease, right? So our body, and today also just now you just mentioned that our body has the mechanism to fight the illness and the disease only if we manage it ourselves. So the choice is ours. So thank you so much. I'm so
Yes.
forward to the next session. I have registered for the next session also.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes. Who's next? हाँ, रजनी जी, रजनी बत्रा जी, बोलिए. Tell me. Yeah.
Hi, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank
I'm
you.
sorry I got late today, but then yes, your sessions are very good. This is my second session with you, and I felt very nice coming to this session. 2 days prior only, I met up with a small accident, but still I managed to come online 10 minutes late also.
Take care. Take care. Please take care.
Not
Yeah.
a
Yeah.
problem,
But
ma'am,
you're
but I
looking
was
so
very
happy.
happy to come.
Yeah. With your happy face, I can't make out that you're sick. What do you guys? What do you say? All of you.
My left hand
That's
has
the
got,
power of happiness.
yes, my left hand has got damaged, but then still I'm doing everything.
Good. 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 You can do it. You'll get better. Definitely.
100%
All
I'll
power
get.
to you. Yes.
Thank
Yes.
you so much.
Yes.
Thank you,
Thank you.
everybody.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. So let's wind up the session and register for the masterclass. I'll put in the WhatsApp group as well. Yeah. Thank you all. Thank you all. You chose to be here in the afternoon. That means a lot. Thank you so much.